Then I started realizing that the detached homes right behind where the buildings are on Young Street are at the time was like 500,000, 480,000.
Behind Harrison Gardens.
Exactly.
Behind the...
So what, like, automatically the light bulb went on is like, look, I can own land. I can own a big, like, piece of land, 50-foot lot in a small bungalow for 500,000, and I'm paying about 380,000 for a condo. Why don't I just talk to a few people and see if they want to, like, combine? Like, I only had about 60,000 saved up. And I ended up partnering with one of my distant uncles, and I gave the whole sales pitch to him. I said, look, like, this property is going to increase. I'll manage it. I live in the basement. I'll fix it up if I have to. But
I'll live in the basement.
Yeah, I want to make sure everyone caught that.
Write that down.
Yeah, write that
and you
down.
don't even want me to, like, get into how that basement was. Like,
Well, I read in the article, right?
Or maybe we should.
I had no furniture.
Because
I
that's
had
the whole
a
point.
table, a chair, and a mattress at the time, right? So we bought that house for 515,000.
Okay.
House on Churchill Avenue.
Okay.
Right off of Parkholme. Anyway, moved into the basement, rented out the upstairs, which was almost enough to cover our expenses. And I was paying a little bit towards rent, $500-600. And and that's how it started. And just if you fast forward from 2010, I actually ended up selling that property in 2016 for $1.6 million without putting a dollar into it after.
So 11 years.
Rented for 6 years.
Yeah.
No, 6 years.
So
2010 I bought it.
You bought it in 10 and then 2000, yeah. Okay.
16.
Yep.
So
1.6
2010
million
onwards, my interest in real estate started growing because prices, I could tell, like, I started looking at the macro picture. I started looking at, hey, Toronto, why Toronto in the first place, right? Immigration's at all-time high. It's coming up to be one of the best cities in the world to live in. Political stability, healthcare sector. You have education. Even for an entrepreneur to be at that time take loans against real estate for 2.6%. Do you know what loans you get at what interest rate you get back home? 11%, 12%.
Yeah, I know.
So when somebody says I'm going to give you a loan for 2.5% by putting 20% down, that to me is from a finance background person. If you tell somebody who's got an investment banking background, is like, this is amazing, right?
Well, I mean,
and I could definitely see that appreciation coming year over year. I knew in my gut gap between condos and detached home is too small.
Right.
It's got to increase because you're talking about land here.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the REC Experience. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Click here to watch and experience more videos from REC.